As of next week, you will no longer need to walk into the Division of Transport to renew or replace your driver's license. You can simply do so by going onto the platform www.digigov.govt.lc to make that application and payment. Subsequently, you will receive notification on the status of your application. This week, the Department of the Public Service commenced the self-registration exercise, giving the media a first-hand opportunity to interface with the platform. The renewal and replacement of a driver's license is the first of approximately 154 services to be offered online via the DigiGov platform.
The establishment of the Digital Government Integrated E-Services Platform, DigiGov, is a direct response to the gaps identified in the delivery of timely, efficient, and transparent government-to-citizen and government-to-business services offered by the Government of St. Lucia. For us at the Department of the Public Service, and indeed I am sure I could speak on behalf of the Division of Transport, the delivery of this service was not merely a learning experience, but an undeniable change management experience. And I think it equipped us, I'm sure that it equipped us for what is to come as we continue our DigiGov journey. Over the last few months, the importance or the need for a project such as DigiGov became even more apparent when we were challenged by COVID-19 to not only think outside the box, but to get out of the box and to even stand on it, if you may.
The DigiGov platform is in keeping with the government's 2018 development agenda themed Building Resilience Today to Secure Our Future, which sought to increase the efficiency of the public service by integrating government services and operations through the adoption of best practices. Transport Minister Honorable Guy Joseph has described the Digital Government Integrated E-Services platform as a very efficient and effective mechanism that will serve St. Lucia well into the future.
And imagine now you have a receipt for a driver's license. And the receipt is going to say that, yes, you have paid your license, but can you present the receipt to the teller at the bank and say, here's my ID? Now, because these things have happened for so long in St. Lucia, we have accepted it as the norm. We have accepted that this is what it is, this is St. Lucia, and as if it's okay. Well, I want to assure you that as Minister of Transport, this is not okay with me. And I know that you've heard about different timelines. I am pushing the department that when you pay your license at the teller, if you go to the accounts clerk, I want by the time you finish that transaction and you walk to the other side in 5 minutes, somebody should be able to hand you your driver's license.
This new DigiGov platform, according to Mr. Joseph, will also help to curb the many irregularities in the existing licensing database, which has approximately 54,000 registered drivers. From the Department of the Public Service Communications Unit, Julita Peter reporting.